guys, it's Eliza from Eliza Tall and Plain, and today we are doing my hair. So right now, my hair is okay, but it can be better. So today I'm going to walk you through how I like to dye my hair. Yes, I sometimes do my hair myself. Usually I go to a stylist, but it's very, very expensive. So I'm sorry if you're watching this, Ashley. I love you to death. You're amazing. You're talented. It's just that I'm broke and I live 300 miles away from you. So it's just hard to, you know, keep my hair looking good. Anyways, I've dyed it several times in the past. First time I dyed my hair, it turned out like shit. Second time I dyed my hair, it was okay. And progressively, I've been getting better and better at it. So today, what I'm going to try to do is do a little bit with my root situation. So my wonderful stylist Ashley, who's so amazingly talented, check out her Instagram, please. She is wonderful. Did some rainbow roots on me a month ago. Anyways, they were fabulous. I love them so much. But as I have washed my hair, I have noticed that the pinks and the reds and the yellows have washed out. And what I'm left with is a large splotch of green in the back of my head. I'm not sure if you can see it right now. You might not be able to, and I probably look like a crazy person then. Anyways, what I'm going to try to do is do my roots in a darker color that is darker than my natural hair, and then keep the purple on the ends and do a little bit more with that. So, buckle up, get ready. This might turn out fabulous. This might turn out looking like a hot mess. First thing I'm going to show you all is the dyes that I got to do my hair with. I have been using this company ever since I started dyeing my hair, which was back in, I don't know, it's like 15. So that was just a couple years ago. I've been using this brand to put like glazes and treatments, and they work wonderfully for me. And then when I started doing vivids on my hair, I have been using these to kind of touch up between visits with my hairstylist. It is called Ion, and the dyes that I have are the Ion Semi-Permanent Cream Hair Color. So what semi-permanent means is that the dye is not going to penetrate your whole strand of hair, essentially, so it kind of covers and it washes off. Anyway, so it's not super permanent, so it's not a huge commitment, which is great. That's what I'm looking for in my life. I don't want any commitment with my hair. I want to change it up as often as I can because it's just so much fun. So I have the color Midnight Blue Black, which I'm planning to cover up my roots a little bit. That might not turn out well. We will see. I might turn out looking like I have black roots. I hope that is not the case because I want this to be very much a blue black. Then we have the Radiant Orchid color, and then we have clear because I like mixing these so I don't get a super vivid color. And I have one more purple color that I cannot find. I'm probably sitting on it, and yes I am. This is Tanzanite, and boy is this purple. This is really pretty. I am planning to do my roots in the blue black and the clear, and then the Tanzanite on my mid shafts, and then finally the lighter purple on my ends, so it's like a subtle ombre. That might not work. I might just get too lazy for that. We will see. Let's mix this up. I have some Tresemme white shampoo. If you are going to be dyeing your hair at home, I recommend you use a conditioner to mix it up with. It makes it easier to apply, and you need less dye that way. Works for me. This stuff is really cheap. I use this to shave my legs actually, so I always have some lying around. This is the Luxurious Moisture Tresemme white shampoo. It's really cheap. It's pretty good. And I mix this with my dyes and I get the color that I want, and then I will apply it to my hair. Let's just pray that this doesn't turn out awful. Super important. Almost forgot to do this. You're going to want to put on some gloves. This is very important because hair dye will stain your hands. Inevitably it will. I have applied hair dye without gloves before. My hands have been like stained a brown when I did that, and they were brown for about a week. Do not recommend. So definitely use gloves. I got these at Target. They were super cheap. They were in the dishwashing aisle, not where the hair dye was. So I was very confused about that because what do people do with these gloves besides dye their hair? I don't know. I'm also doing this on my white bed because this is the only place I can film. because it's the best lighting, etc., etc. So I really hope I don't get this all over my sheets. I feel like that is enough to do my roots with, especially if I'm just focusing on this part. My roots are brown, with the exception of the green splotch because that is on a highlighted part. So I am expecting this won't show up very well on my brown hair, which I am okay with. I really just want to cover up that green splotch because it's not very flattering right now. TBH. The next color we're going to be mixing up is Tanzanite, which is this lovely purple. I'm going to be doing it in this cup. Ooh, lovely. I have purple on my face already. So this dye is like, it smells so good. It also has little flakes of glitter in it, so it's like iridescent. This is like literally mesmerizing. Look how vivid that is. Oh, so pretty. If you're having a little bit of concern about how vivid these colors are, and you know that I like my hair pretty pastel, I'm going to remind you that my hair is not super blonde. I get blonde highlights, my hair is naturally brown, and so if someone were to use these colors on someone who had stark white hair, it's going to look a lot different than if you just have blonde highlights like myself. So do not fear. This is not going to turn out like super vivid, I hope. We're back and I look a little bit crazy because I have sectioned off my hair to, you know, go ahead and start a dye in it. I'm going to do a little bit of this on camera, but I really should do this majority off camera because I don't want to fuck it up. So I have this piece out in front that I'm planning to do for you all. I'm first going to put on some gloves because that's always smart, and then I'm going to get on to it. So we are back and it has been a couple of weeks and you can see my hair is this lovely purple color. This is actually darker than I anticipated. I don't mean for it to be this dark, but you know, such is life and I carry on, and you know what, if I look goth for a couple of weeks, I look goth for a couple of weeks and that's okay. Anyways, if you enjoy seeing me dye my hair and if you want to see other videos of me doing the same kind of thing, just let me know in the comments down below, and also give this video a big old thumbs up. That really helps me out. And you know, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. If you're not subscribed, well, what are you doing? And you know what, I will see you guys later and I hope you have a fantastic week, and bye.